Hello everyone, I'm Oz, and in this video I will show you how to use Adobe Encoder to batch render your clips, your nested clips. And yeah, so let's get into it. So once you have nested all your clips, the next thing you do is you go to the first clip and you just do a normal render. Try to find the smallest clip. So you do a normal render. This is so that you can set a place, a folder where all these files go, and it saves time rather than going and changing one by one. So you do a normal render, and over here, for example, if we choose you make a new folder, let's call it ABC, okay, and save. And then you export it. So I'm not going to export it in this video, but this is what you do. You export it. After that's exported, you click on all the rest of the clips. And in my case, I'm going to do all, the rest of the clips. Imagine this one is rendered and you have the file set. So you take all of the other clips, Command M. It depends on whatever settings you require. At the moment, this is what I require, and you keep it on this. This is the format that we need. We don't need audio for this. And then we simply click on Q. And then you see that this starts popping up: exporting data, preparing data, exporting data, preparing data. And then within a few seconds, within a while, you'll see that the Adobe Encoder will pop up, which you have to have installed, of course, will pop up and will have all of these files added to it. So just have patience. So there you go. It keeps adding the files here. And it's popping around. Okay, so you can see all the files have been added, and all the files have been added. You can check here. The last one is 585, so that has been added. In case you have a lot of files, just give it some time and make sure you have the last file added. Once you have all the files added, all you have to do is press play. As you can see, what we did is ABC, although I didn't render it, it already took that folder in as well. So all the files are going to go in that folder, and you just press play. And it's going to start rendering these. Okay. While this is going on, you can go ahead and close this. You don't have to keep this open. And yeah, so this was a short tutorial on how to use Adobe Media Encoder to batch render your nested sequences. And yeah, so this saves a lot of time, and this time can be used doing a lot of other things away from the computer. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.